What's up? Welcome to What's in the Pot. This is a quick Instagram TV video. We're doing jerk chicken, and we're gonna use Caribbean Flavors jerk chicken. It's really quick, super quick, just for Instagram TV. You know what it is, your boy Sean Grande. So you're seeing the chicken there. All I added was seasoned salt and Caribbean Flavors jerk seasoning. And we're gonna let that marinate for a little bit, and we're gonna put it on the grill. So we have our chicken on the grill, and we're grilling on high. I'm trying a method that I learned from my boy DJ Shiloh. So what it is, you grill the chicken on high and keep on flipping on both sides. Once it looks cooked on the outside, then you put it on low and slow. That keeps all the juice inside. It's almost like braising the chicken, but we're doing it on the grill. It's what's in the pot. So the next part to this process is to sauce them up early. This is the sauce I made. I used some of the Caribbean Flavors jerk seasoning, some ketchup, some bold barbecue sauce and soy sauce. Just mix it up together, real quick sauce. Gives it a nice flavor and still has that jerk flavor, so it doesn't overpower it and change the flavor of the jerk. So we're gonna sauce this chicken up real quick, and then we're gonna continue with the barbecuing process. Now you can see the chicken's got a little bit more color, and we're gonna let this cook on low heat now for about 20 to 30 minutes, because we want to make sure the chicken's completely cooked. We don't want it dried out, but we also don't want no blood, because you know how us West Indians do. We don't like bloody chicken. So there you have it, fresh jerk chicken off the grill using Caribbean Flavors jerk seasoning, courtesy of Kalu Box. Don't forget to check them out, kalubox.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is my Instagram video, so share it with your friends. Follow us on Instagram at What's in the Pot, and don't forget to check us out on YouTube at What's in the Pot.